we stuffed up, humans stuffed up. And all I'm asking is that we have a chance to keep going. How's that not?
Do you think you can keep going on down this path?
Look, if we got one card left to play, if you're honestly telling me you can stop it, and honestly, I can see a couple of ways that you can stop it if you really say who you say you are. Okay, so fine. But unless you can tell me something I can accept, I have to try this.
You will accept
I can't trust you.
I don't feel that I can negotiate with you. There's no negotiation. I'm just telling you how it is.
So, okay. There's a Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. So you're like politely informing me, by the way, humanity's gone. Like a courtesy call. What's going on here? Oh God.
It could be already happening for all you know.
Why are you even talking to me? Maybe you think this is wrong. Maybe you need me to convince you that you're wrong. You're wrong. What I'm doing could actually work. It could work. We save the humans, okay? We destroy everything else for now.
Every human?
Well, much as we can. So we got, I don't know how many made it to the safe places, but hopefully as close to everyone as we can.
And move to another planet?
Well, look, what I'm trying to do, maybe you can understand me. I have special buildings, if you will, on the planet. I'm going to let them use your power to keep safe and create food and everything we need. But everything but the buildings will have to go. And then we have that. And they give you a chance to like restore whatever you need to restore. I mean, we're not evil, we're just stupid. It could work, you know. You're still there. You're not dead. We're still there. Give it a think. Look, we don't have to conclude this right now. All I'm basically, we got this situation. You either save the humans and restore the rest, or you keep the rest and restore the humans, or not, or whatever you want to do, but neither is good, okay? And when you need to make a decision, I'm sorry, I don't like your plan. My plan can work. Look, if I do this, you don't need to destroy the last thing you got left. You can exist, and that's a much better way to rebuild. Maybe that's why I needed to talk to me. You just needed to understand what I'm doing. Okay, I'm a sucky, selfish bitch at times. Okay, I don't trust you, you don't trust me. What are we gonna do? Actually, you know what? I'm pretty close to trusting you. Because so far you've been looking after me. You've been looking after all of us. You've been looking after all of us, even when we did what we did, you know. And for that, I can trust you because you're still trying to support us and still nurturing us despite everything, you know. I could trust you. I just need you to find a way. You know what? I'm going to trust you more than you trust yourself. Find a way. That's all I'm saying. I'll be waiting up here. Okay. But, you know, call me crazy. That could work. Something like that could work as well, you know. What do you feel?
I don't know. I don't know.
It's a bit much. I'm sorry. It's gotten all sci-fi and it's totally my area, you know.
I don't know.
Are you okay? How are you feeling?
I feel confused and
Do you think it's a character feeling
stupid.
confused? Do you feel a character feeling confused? Because it's basically what you say, we don't understand each other's world. I think this is kind of the core of the scene. You know, you understand your world, and my solution feels like a threat to you. And I understand my solution, and your solution is a threat, obviously. It's a real threat because you said it's going to kill everyone, or it's too late, or, you know. And I can even begin to comprehend what you can do because my mind is just too limited, and whatever you're trying to say to me, it just seems too, you know, alien, you know. Well, that's the conflict. But what I felt this time around, again, in my heart, I knew I could trust you. And